Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you what I eat in a day. Let's go, okay? So I usually wake up around 7 a.m. and the first thing I do is get out of bed and make my bed. My mom always tells me that if I make my bed in the morning, I'm going to have a productive day. So I started doing it, and it actually works. Then I'll get dressed. I usually wear something comfortable like a hoodie and sweatpants because I am a college student and it's pretty cold here in Canada. Then I head downstairs and make myself some breakfast. I'm not really a morning person, so I usually just eat something simple like cereal or toast. Today I'm making myself some toast with peanut butter and jelly. I love peanut butter and jelly. It's my favorite. I think it's so good. And then once I'm done eating, I get my stuff together for school. I grab my bag and my laptop, and I head out the door. So I live in a college residence, which means I have to walk to class. It takes me about 10 minutes to get there, so I like to listen to music on the way. I'm currently listening to Harry Styles. He's so good. Love him. And then, once I get to school, I put my stuff away and start working on some homework. I usually have classes from 9 to 12, so I have 3 classes in the morning. Between classes, I like to go to the student center and get some coffee. The lineups are always so long here, but it's worth it. The coffee is really good. Working on some homework. I usually have classes from 9 to 12, so I have 3 classes in the morning. Between classes, I like to go to the student center and get some coffee. The lineups are always so long here, but it's worth it. The coffee is really good. And then after my classes are finished, I like to go to the library and get some work done. Usually stay here for a couple hours just getting assignments done, studying for exams. And then once I'm done, I'd like to go for a walk and get some fresh air. The university I go to is really pretty. It's right next to a lake, and there's always swans. I love seeing them. They're so beautiful. After my walk, I usually go home and take a nap because I'm exhausted. Being a student is hard, you know? And then once I wake up, I get ready and go out with my friends. We like to go to restaurants and catch up, and then we'll go shopping or something. And then when I get home, I'll make myself dinner. Yes. I usually eat dinner with my friends, so we can talk and hang out and stuff. And then after that, I like to watch some TV, or play some video games, and just relax. And then I do this whole routine again the next day. So that's what my day looks like as a college student. I hope you enjoyed the video, and you can subscribe for more.